what is the population of the whole world right now? Well, according to latest estimates by the United Nations, elaborated by Worldometer, the present world population stands at 7.9 billion as of July 2021. World Population Day is celebrated on July 11th every year and is devoted to focus attention on urgency and importance of population issues. This particular day was established by the then Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989, an outgrowth of the interest generated by the Day of 5 billion, which was observed on 11th July 1987. The pandemic has compromised healthcare systems, particularly in the area of sexual and reproductive health. It also exposed gender-based inequities. Gender-based violences increased under lockdown, as did the risk of child marriages. Against this background, many countries are expressing growing concern over changing fertility rates. As population explosion began to take the center stage as a cause of serious concern, the themes of the World Population Day focused on health problems faced by childbearing women and the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. The World Population Day theme 2021 is Rights and Choices Are the Answer. Whether baby boom or bust, the solution to shifting fertility rates lies in prioritizing the reproductive health and rights of all people. Birth rate and death rate was almost same up to the mid-20th century, which meant a slow rate of growth of population. However, with gradual improvement in the access to healthcare facilities, level of education, availability of proper nutrition and diet, people began to live longer and the death rate began to decline. This mismatch in birth and death rate resulted in faster growth of population in the past few decades. Poverty and illiteracy also contribute immensely in the population explosion. These mega trends have far-reaching implications. They affect economic development, employment, income distribution, poverty, and social protection. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected principal, vice principal, teacher and my beloved friends. I am Suchita Ankumar of 7C. Today I am going to speak about World Population Day. Population pressure is the ultimate cause of every war, as quoted by Alexa Panchin. The World Population Day is a United Nations initiative that the entire world celebrates on the 11th of July every year. This day is marked as celebrated since 1987 by the United Nations organization all across the world. The United Nations organization was the one to coin this day for the first time. The main goal of World Population Day is to raise awareness among the people concerning the world's growing population. China, India, and the United Nations are the top 3 countries that have the largest population count. The concern of population is so widespread that there are no remedies for this act immediately. A long time is required for the measures to become effective. The growing population puts additional strain on the earth and the environment. I would like to conclude that the governing bodies of every nation should come up with practical solutions to pacify the situation at hand. I would like to convey the message that policies such as family planning or use of birth control should be implemented on a large-scale basis. On this expectation, I end my speech. Jai Hind.
Good morning all. I am Khadija Rissa studying in 7B. Today is World Population Day. World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11th every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1987. It was Inspiration Public Interest in 5 Billion Days on July 11, 1987, the approximate date on which the world's population day reached 5 billion people. World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness on various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. Behind its things, Earth has maximum carrying capacity of 9 billion to 10 billion peoples. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.
In 1989, the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme recommended that 11 July be observed by the international community as World Population Day, a day to focus attention on the urgency and importance of population issues. Current estimates indicate that roughly 83 million people are being added to the world's population every year. Even assuming that fertility levels will continue to decline, the global population is expected to reach 8.6 billion in 2030, 9.8 billion in 2050, and 11.2 billion in 2100, according to the medium variant projection. The aim of the celebration is to pay great attention towards the reproductive health problems of the community people, as it is the leading cause of the ill health as well as the death of the pregnant women worldwide. The campaign of the World Population Day every year increases the knowledge and skills of the people worldwide towards their reproductive health and family planning.